وعباد الرحمن الذين يمشون على الأرض هونا وإذا خاطبهم الجاهلون قالوا سلاما. Amazing verses, beautiful verses. Allah says, Ibadur Rahman. One day I went to a school, and this is a true story. I visited a madrasa and I told him, who knows the meaning of Ibadur Rahman? Alladhina yamshuna ala al-ardi hawnan. These youngsters were just learning Arabic. So the one boy put up his hand and he said, all people whose name is Abdul Rahman, they walk properly on earth. I said, what do you mean all people whose name is Abdul Rahman? Ibadur Rahman. He thought that is the plural, so it must be the name of the people. It refers to all of us who claim to be worshippers of Allah. He says, I am the most merciful. Allah the merciful. If you are a worshipper of Allah, truly, you believe in His mercy, so you are the worshipper of the most merciful, because it is only through the mercy of Allah that you will get Jannah. If that is the case, then you will walk on earth, carry yourself in an easy, humble, respectable manner. When you walk, you don't stamp your feet, you don't walk with haughtiness, you greet people, you interact with whoever you are supposed to, and you lower your gaze when you have to, and so on. All this is in the way you walk as a believer.